Yeah. Let's begin. Welcome to the Power BI demo session. Myself, Mohammad Manjar Imam Noori. I conduct training on analytics, BI and analytics, mainly Power BI, Tableau, and Cognos. Right? I am around 11 years of experience. I have done my BTech in computer science, and also I am currently pursuing my MTech in data science. Okay. So I have experienced across different domains, in insurance, then life science. I have experienced in supply chain, right? So different domains and different technologies in BI and analytics area. That is, Tableau, Power BI, Cognos, and also ClickView, and some also having experienced in different data warehousing tools, and including data stage ETL and also other technologies related to the data warehousing tools. Right? So I will be conducting this Power BI training. Fine. So let's see. Today's agenda is we are going to know what we have in Power BI. Okay, what can we do as a business analytics tool, right? And what do we have? What are the capabilities we have in Power BI? Why it is so popular, in this domain, in this area, analytics area, right? That it is remaining on the top and the demands in the market, right? We will see all of these in this demo. Right? Based on this, you can decide to join my Power BI training sessions, right? So yeah, let's see. The agenda, as I was telling, the Power BI as a visualization tool, right? And how it is having edge over the other visualization tools, right? Then we'll have a small demo, and then the system requirement for Power BI. If you are joining the session from tomorrow, you have to install the Power BI software, right? So we'll just see that, and what is the outcome post completion of this course, right? What you will get uh, out of this course once you complete this, right? So, yeah, those are the agenda for today's session, today's demo session. Fine. So before we begin, do you have any specific question regarding this Power BI session, training session? Any specific things you have in your mind?
No, not much.
Okay. How much experience do you have? Around
11 years.
11 years. Same
Yeah.
here. Okay. So yeah, it's a great, you can start your career any point of time, and these are the tools which will give you better experience skills, right? And it's very much in demand, and you will see, you may already know, you are that much experienced, and you already know that how this Power BI is in the market and how much demand is in the market. So you are from Hyderabad, right?
Yeah, I'm from Hyderabad. Yeah.
Okay. So
Yeah, only
fine.
thing is, we have some multiple tools, right, in the reporting side.
Hmm.
But why we need to choose a Power BI, and what exactly difference between the Tableau and Power BI? So I'm a little bit confused about these two. I mean, I just want to start my career in the development side instead of the testing or in the data analyst. So now I want to
Hmm.
move to developer. So out of these two, I still have a doubt which one I need to select it. So
Okay. Mm-hmm. So
yeah,
we'll see the capabilities. Okay, we'll see the capabilities of Power BI. Then you can decide, like you are already working as a tester in ETL side, so you may have also chance to see the other visualization tools also in your project maybe, right? You may have already seen some
We
of them.
have actually downstream. We have visualization as well. They are right now using the Tableau.
Uh-huh. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, fine. So we'll see that. We'll see those things, right? We'll discuss this. So let's first see the Power BI, capabilities. Then we'll see, like what is the difference between Power BI and Tableau, right? And you will know like what to choose. You know. So
Sure.
let's see. Yeah. So as I was telling that Power BI, right? Power BI is a Microsoft tool, analytics service provided by Microsoft. It's easy to use. Okay, it's easy to use. Easy to develop any application using Power BI, and doing the analysis is easy here. So we will see the capabilities, various capabilities. This tool is in highly demand in the market. So this skill is highly demand, right, in market, and you may already see in the job portals like Naukri sites and all. So you may have seen how the various companies is paying for this skill. Right? Uh, so in Power BI, right, as like any other visualization tool, many other visualization tool. So as you are saying that Tableau, so Tableau, Power BI, these all are popular, very popular because these are easy to use, right? And especially Power BI is very easy, easier than even Tableau, right, to develop, and it is very powerful. Okay, it is very powerful, and you will see like it provides interactive visualizations, right? As like other tools also, using with self-service business intelligence capabilities. So any user will be able to create once they have a proper training, right? So they will be able to create the required visualizations, what they want to analyze, whatever they want to analyze, they will be able to create it here themselves. So users will be able to create the reports, the dashboards by themselves. Okay, once they have the proper training about the capabilities and they know the different tools in the Power BI, right? So yeah, and why Power BI is very much popular, that because of these capabilities it has very powerful connectivity with different tools, very powerful connectivity with the sources to get the data. So it has, various sources. Like let's see here, in this is a Power BI desktop. Okay, so we have so many sources to connect to get the data from. Okay, so these are few sources, and as this is a Microsoft tool, so it will be integrated. It can be integrated with all the Microsoft tools, and you know like how Microsoft various tools are doing in the market, Azure and all those things. Right, so many Microsoft Power Platform is there. So these are the Power Platform tools, right? So it will be able to connect, get the data from all these tools, databases, different databases. So almost all the databases you'll be able to connect, right? Big data and all those, everything, all the databases, the files, right? These are the files it will be able to connect. So all of these, there are so many, sources you'll be able to connect, easily connect. Okay, you can easily connect to these sources and get the data from. Fine. Very powerful connectivity it has. The other capability is instantly share the dashboard. So what you do while you develop any analytic solution, right? You have to deploy it, right? You have a process, right, to deploy it, and then for that, like in the tools, right, which were being used, which were used few years back, right? We had a lengthy process to deploy it, to share with other people, to share with the users. Right? Here it is very simplified, right? And you can instantly share the dashboard and all, and you can see. that with Microsoft, right, it is integrated here. You can see that with the Microsoft tools, each and every tools, it is integrated. See here, and Power BI, and you can able to connect to Power BI. You will be able to see the Power BI apps and all the Power BI reports, right? Very easily from your Microsoft Teams itself. You don't have to go anywhere, and also from all the Microsoft tools, you will be able to connect to, and even you will be able to integrate it with the. You will be able to integrate with the any other site very easily. Okay, so this is that easy, right, with Microsoft, that you will be able to share with other people very easily. Okay, and we'll see in during the sessions, right, during classes, like how we can share all of these things. You can see it in also in web browsers. You will be able to see also through any other Microsoft tools, right? We will be seeing all of this. So instantly you can share the dashboard with the users, or if you are working as a team and you want to share with others, they will be also making some changes. They will be adding their changes, so you can share with them, and they will be also adding their changes in development reason. Right? You have the powerful and performant. This is very Power BI is powerful and performant. Okay. Uh, then drill down, functionality. So drill down functionality is easily available here in the Power BI. Okay, you don't have to create a dimensional model, and then you have to set the drill down, functionality. You don't have to do all of those things, like unlike the earlier tools. Fine. This is powerful and performant because of the in-memory capabilities we have. Also, we have the live connections. We have the in-memory capabilities. Where in in-memory capabilities, you are importing the data into the memory itself, right? And that's why it will be very faster than the live connection. So powerful and performant. So drill down functionality is easily available. Then secure report publishing, right? Security will be applied. So this advanced supports advanced data services, right? Advanced data experts, then schedule data refresh, and all of these are very easily achievable. You don't have to, you don't need many tools to achieve all of these things, and all of these capabilities, all of the options are easily available here. You don't have to go here and there for looking for the solution. Okay. It's very intuitive. Okay, everything is designed such a manner that any user can be with proper training, they will be able to use it. Fine. For the developer also, like we have very powerful tools where you can create the calculations, you can create powerful interactivity interactivities, right? So all of these things you will be seeing these things. So here, why these visualizations or BI Power BI is used to discover better insight from the data, right? It will create practical steps for the various tasks. Right? Here, main focus is, a developer, right, will be giving main focus in getting the right solution rather than looking for the technology things, right? Technology items, or looking for different, coding aspects, right? So it is easily everything is done, everything is here in Power BI is all the tools and capabilities, all the functionalities are such that you will be able to use it easily. Fine. So main focus would be then to create the solution, create the analytic solution, so that business can have a better solution, and they can make their decisions easily with the solution, right? So you will have more time to build the solution, to build a proper solution. which is beneficial to business, right? Yeah. Then we have this powerful tool to discover patterns and to do the exploratory analysis for machine learning modeling, right? It is a powerful tool also for doing the exploratory data analysis. While if you are a data science enthusiast, so you will be able to do the exploration on the data, right? You will be able to discover the patterns, right? As correlations. So all of these things you will be able to see, you will be able to find out easily. Okay. Power BI having cloud-based services, as we have seen there in the Teams, right? This is cloud-based services which we have connected to Teams, right? So this is the cloud-based services where we have, various capabilities where we'll be publishing our report. While we build our report from this Power BI desktop, we will be publishing it to the Power BI services. And from Power BI services, all of the users will be connecting to the Power BI services, right? Using the link, using the URL, fine. So this will be published to Power BI services, and also we will be having the capabilities of creating a mobile solution, okay, which will be fitting to the mobile UI, right? We have the desktop-based solution, we have the mobile-based solution. So, and this creating mobile-based solution is easy, very easy here. Okay, so like here you can see this is mobile-based solution. Okay, we'll see how this demo, can be. We'll see the demo, like how we can create all of these things. So we'll not go in detail of this, all of this, but the particular uh, few things, okay, not everything. Fine. So yeah, let's have that, right? Let's see the other things in this. So fine. We have the, as I said, cloud-based BI services, right, along with desktop-based interface. So developer will mostly work on the desktop-based interface and then publish these reports to the cloud-based services, desktop-based interface, and then publish to cloud-based services. It offers robust and easy to data modeling capabilities. So the data modeling capabilities you may have seen in the ETL, right? Uh, Creating the star schema, creating snowflake schema, right? All of these things will be easily here. You can build the model very easily. Okay, it's a tool we have here in this here in this Power BI itself, and this is here. This is the modeling tool. You will be able to create the model easily, okay, here itself. So this is like here you can see the star schema, snowflake schema. So we'll see the different modeling technique, right? Whatever we have, so easily you will be able to create here. Right? So these are the capabilities we have easily easy modeling capabilities, including data preparation. So here we have also the various data preparation tools where we will be able to clean the data, uh, do prepare the data, applying the calculations, and also applying various you know, uh, data preparation activities, doing various data preparation activities. You'll be able to also the interactive dashboards we'll be able to create, right? So here you can see the interactive dashboards, like we have just opened one of these dashboard, right? Let's see. This is the this is one of the dashboard we have, or this is the report. Okay, let's let it open. So this is you can see like so this is like the interactivity. You will be having a page like web page like uh, pages, and you will be able to move from one page to another page. So from another page you can go back to home page, right? And all of these capabilities you will be able to do easily, so easy to achieve these capabilities, right? We can also let's go back to this. So this interactive dashboards and all, this will be created easily here, right? Now, do you have any question from the capabilities or specific things you are looking in terms of capabilities? Yeah. Any question you have?
No.
Yeah. Okay. Fine. So, like how why to choose Power BI or for visualizations and analytics? So, if you see, the Gartner's quadrant for last few years, right, you will find Microsoft at the top, okay, among these analytics and business intelligence platforms, right? Yeah. In the analytics and business intelligence platforms, you will see that Microsoft is always on the, for last few years, is on the top. It is the leader. Then you have Tableau, right? And Tableau is also very popular, right? Then we have these other tools, all of these tools, right? Microsoft, why it is popular? That it's having easy to use capabilities. It is very powerful. It is having very powerful capabilities. So whatever you are going to achieve in Tableau and in other tools, you will be achieving the same functionality here, but easily, compared to these all of these tools, right? So here you can achieve it easily, and here you have to do some more work to achieve. And here in these tools, you will have to use some other method to get the same functionality whatever you have in these tools, Microsoft Power BI or Tableau, right? In the other tools, you will have to use some other method also. Right. So it is not like here in this Microsoft Power BI and Tableau, right? In case of other tools, right? So here it stands, Microsoft Power BI stands in the magic quadrant, right? In the analytics and business intelligence platform, and yeah. These are the various things we have here. Apart from now, let's see like why to choose Power BI, from my courses. So offering the zero to advanced, you know, here in this course, I'll be covering from zero level to the advanced level, and we'll have a small batch, so you'll have more chance to have an interactive session, right? Then end-to-end project will be covered, and assignment after each logical point, right? We'll have. So that's what we have. Then we have, let's see, the Power BI capabilities right here in this demo. Like various Power BI capabilities we have. As I was mentioning that it will be able to, so it will be able to, get data from various sources, right? And we have already seen these various sources, how many different sources we will be able to get the data from. So here we have these interactivity capabilities, right? And these all of these capabilities will be easily achieved, and the decorations and doing formatting and all of these things, you can literally make this page, whatever these pages are here, right? You can literally make this page to look anything like in anything like the websites. Okay, you can format it in such a way that it will look like the websites, and the also the interactivities and all of things, right, will be like that. Here, the fetching of the data or getting the data, getting the analysis, visualizations and all is faster because it will be in memory. It will use in memory capabilities, right? So yeah, we have the different interactivity right? Like that, and it's very easily achievable, right? All of these things. We can here you can see that we can create various charts, visualizations, and believe me, these all of these things are done very easily here. Okay, we have the slicers capabilities where you will be able to slice and dice, the data for the analysis, right? Different, all of these. Here you can see these slicers. You can create it like like any way, right? You can make and use it in different way. You have these charts, various charts. You'll be able to create. You'll be able to create these KPIs, right? And all of these are done very easily. Literally, you will be able to do anything. Okay. So yeah, you have this product analysis and all of these capabilities you'll be able to achieve very easily, right? Uh, and other capabilities you have like okay, very advanced level activities you'll be able to do. Here you can see Q&A, right? Just asking a question, you will get the your answer. Okay, just asking a question, you'll get an answer, right? So yeah, you have these various capabilities. Just ask a question like, okay, total revenue I want, and it is done, right, for you. And you'll be able to see that you have various answer for that. Okay, and this is using the capability of this is using the you know uh, this is using a data model. Okay, whatever data set is available, you just type it here and it will give you total returns. So it will show you total returns. You want to see something else like total revenue, right? It will just fetch the revenue for you automatically. So these are various capabilities you have with this tool, right? That is using machine learning capabilities and all those things. Right? You have other capabilities like here you can see Python. You can use Python programming and R programming and all of these things with this tool, right? Uh, and using Python, literally you will be able to achieve anything. You will be able to use the machine learning model, get the data, right? Analyze that data, right? So you will be like classification, regression, and anything you will be able to do, and getting that data. After that, you can create, you can do the analysis on that data, visualize on that data, right? So also you will be, if there are some visualization charts which are not available, through these Power BI tools, right? You will be able to also create, you will be able to also get from Python visualization capabilities, Python visualization packages, right? You can also use your skills of Python to get all of those visualizations, right? So we'll see that. And apart from that, you will be able to, do this kind of toggling between different things, right? You will be able to create these interactive, filtrations, data filtrations, clearing all the data, and yeah, so various capabilities you have with this, right, in Power BI. And all of these are very easily achievable. And we'll be able to, we'll see all of these things in our training sessions, right, during our training. And from advanced till, you can search for the various dashboards, by Microsoft sites, and all of the dashboards. You after we finish our training course, right, you will be able to create all of these dashboards. The mighty DAX, right, the DAX which are very popular, right, for creating the calculation, which will give you the capability to easily achieve any calculation, right? So that also the set of around 250 DAXs, you will be able to use all of those DAXs yourself. Will cover all the important DAXs in during these training sessions, right? Whatever DAXs required to cover almost everything. We'll cover all of those things. Fine. So this is like we have this demo on this, and we can also see these capabilities of how you can use the Python using Power BI, right? and do your analysis, right? And here we have an example of sentiment analysis, right? Where you can do like, okay, you can get the reviews for your products, and you can analyze these comments, like whether people are liking the products, whether people don't like the products, right? So based on the review comments, you can get the sentiments of that using machine learning capabilities, using machine learning model, so that people who are enthusiastic to learn machine learning and with and use this visualization using machine learning, also integrate with the machine learning, like modeling, so they will be able to use this tool to easily do all these activities, right? Easily get the you know uh, those analysis done, right? Here you can see this is the capability, and this sentiment is created using machine learning model, right? Using machine learning model, and based on the sentiment, you will be able to filter out the data, like what what are the comments, why this sentiment is negative. Far negative means this has bad comment, and positive means this has good comment, right? And you can also relate this comment with the rating they have given one rating, and sentiment is negative, and comment is like disappointed. So this like this, you will be able to use the machine learning capabilities, right, to do all of this analysis. And you can see like how this machine learning capability is used. We can, right, here in this tool, right, you will see that how Python is used, and what some small code of Python, like how this is doing all of the work, right? So yeah, let's see. And you can see, so all of these capabilities, you'll be able to use the Python visualizations, various Python visualization tools, right? Those visualizations tools, Matplot library, Seaborn library. So all of those tools you will be able to use here to get the various visualizations, various charts, right? Complex charts, and also you can use the machine learning modeling, right? With this tool to get your data analysis. So like sentiment analysis, like regression, classification. So all of those things you'll be able to achieve uh, here also, right? Using this Python capability, right? So these are the capabilities you have in this tool, and literally you will be able to do anything. Okay, the things we are doing in SQL, like union, like joins, like, right, all of those things you will be able to achieve here easily. You know, so yeah, that so so those are the various capabilities we have using this tool, and also now you can see what are the things we are going to cover as part of this training session, right? So we'll be covering all of these topics. So yeah, we'll be covering all of these topics. So data cleaning activities will be taking care, all the interactivities, right? How to create the interactivities, different interactivities, right? Moving from one page to another page, flushing out filters, and so many things we have in terms of interactivities, right? So all of those will be covered. The various visualizations will be covered. Power BI, in Power BI services, the admin part, the publishing capabilities, the schedule, refresh, and all those things, right? All of these will be covered, right? Uh, so mobile, you know, UI based reporting will be covered, right? And these are the various topics we have, detail level topics we have, which we will be covering during our session. So fundamentals, then modeling concept and modeling, data preparation, right? The various visualizations, taxes, right? Power BI services, and at last the machine learning with Python. Right? We'll just here we'll see the basics of that. Right? Whoever is interested in machine learning and all those things, right? They can utilize this knowledge, right? To do advanced level visualizations and all those things. So that's all we have as part of this demo, right? So do you have any question?
No.
Yeah? No? Okay. So yeah, and as you were asking, like, what is the difference between the Power BI and Tableau, right? So I would say that Power BI is a Microsoft tool which is using all the Microsoft capabilities, right? And you know the Excel capabilities, you know the PowerPoint capabilities, right? How mighty these are, right? So
Yeah.
Power BI will use and whatever you do, you will be always using the Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, and the documents, right? So all the functions, whatever you have in these tools, Microsoft tools, even in the Microsoft, SQL Server, right? All the functions you will be able to use in Power BI service. So those are here are DAX. Okay. See, the functions from Microsoft various tools are here is grouped as a DAX, right? Data analysis expression. So, and also you have, some advanced uh, here in the capabilities of the access, right? You have some advanced functionalities other than whatever we have on those tools, but whatever Microsoft is having in different tools, right? All of those functionalities will be available in Microsoft Power BI services, Power BI, right? And in Tableau, you again, Tableau is a very it's a great tool, right? And this is very popular. Tableau is very popular among the data science learners, okay? And all the exploratory analysis, right? Exploration on the data before they create the model. So mostly people use Tableau for that, right? Tableau is a great tool for also creating the dashboard, right? And also here you have mighty capabilities of creating a nice dashboard integrate with the other tools. So right, if we, so most of the companies using PowerPoint and Excel, creating the visualizations with these tools, right? That's why Power BI is very popular because it's easy and it has all the capabilities. Easily you will be able to get very good visualizations and analytics capabilities using Power BI. Right? And it is easily achievable, all of those things. So here the ease of using Power BI is making very popular and it's very powerful because it will be able to get you all the capabilities whatever the other tools have. So all of those things will be able to you will be able to achieve here, right? So yeah,
Okay.
and in-memory capabilities, both Tableau and Power BI both having in-memory capabilities. So in terms of in-memory, both are performing similarly, both having the you know these cloud services, right, for sharing and all those things. So yeah, so in terms of some capabilities, these are similar in terms of functions and creating the using the calculated functions and all those things. Here you have the DAXs, mighty DAXs, which are like the Excel functions, like the PowerPoint functions and all those things, right? And in Tableau, you have similar, again, the functions will be similar because whatever you do in analysis, right, you will be doing the same thing wherever you do or whichever tool you use. But the ease of using, the getting of visualizations, right, doing a work easily, how easily you are able to do it, right, that makes a difference. Right? And the performance, that makes security. So these few things make difference, but with all the analytics tool, you will be trying to do the same thing, right? Yeah. So that's what we have in terms of differences, right? Yeah, both are great tools to work with. Both are great tools to create dashboards and all, right? And then Power BI, it's easier, no, easier than any other tools, right?
Got it.
So yeah, that's what we have uh, as part of this demo. So the interested folks, right, they can enroll for this course, and we'll be we'll be starting this course from Monday tomorrow from 8 to 9. Yeah, 1 hour session will be there, and yeah, once we get the required numbers, we'll be starting this session. Okay.
Fine, fine. I
So
mean,
yeah.
what is the course? How many days it will cover, and what exactly the price and all? Is that discussed
Yeah.
already, or
No, prices is I am already conducting these courses, right? I have already covered a few courses already. So for the Indian participants, it's 2,500 INR, and for those who are paying in dollar, $50 is the fee. So yeah, I'll be sharing all of those details, and the course duration is around 25 to 30 sessions totally, 1 hour sessions each, and we'll have these sessions 4 days in a week, and Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. Okay, Wednesday will be off, and 4 days in a week, and 25 to 30 sessions it will take based on the interactions. If we have more interactions, then it will go a little slow. If we have less interactions, we may cover more, right? So I would prefer people have more interactions so that the learning will be better, right? Yeah. So that's what we have in this demo, and yeah, interested participants can join this course. Yeah.
sure? Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. And yeah, thank you for joining. And that's all we have for today, this session.